that's as far as we can take the Himi. Woo. Going uphill is going to be a lot more easier than downhill. Okay, fellas, here goes. Climbing up. Himi is a good boy. He is a sweet fella. Still recording? Perfect. What a motorcycle, man. What a motorcycle. Mwah! Whew. That was some serious shit. Anyways, I don't know. The whole time when I do these kind of things, the camera doesn't justify it. It's because the three-dimensionality of anything gets completely spoiled with cameras. They kind of make things flat. It's always a flat perspective with the camera. Just can't get the depth. For you guys to understand the elevation that I just did, the angle at which the tractor climbs, I mean, you guys will be surprised to see the the elevation at which this motorcycle climbs. It's just crazy, from some other world. It just makes it look like a piece of cake. I mean, just look at this, and the terrain, and the kind of, I mean, I just had 2 feet of all kind of gnarly rocks, and this motorcycle just makes it look like a piece of cake. Of course, you ought to have good riding skills too. You have to have that, steady head as well, not just a steady throttle, to not be intimidated by this and keep going. Yep, there's Ashi, and oh God, I love this female. She's the best thing that happened to me. The best thing that happened to me. No matter where I go to, she's always there, ahead of me, wanting to go check out places. Anything that looks fun, she wants to check it out first. So this is where I am at now. Look at this. Woo! Crazy, ain't it? Amazing to be able to come to such spots and, you know, just have the time of your life. Yeah, so we came here, we went in there, we had a nice time there, and then now trying to figure it out. Balaji is trying to figure it out. Balaji, now where? Can you be near my motorcycle? Careful with the key. It's almost there. Path, poi wait panna. So yep, some difficulty because he's new to the Himalayan, a heavy motorcycle, and you know, like I said, for all the guys who keep asking me, is the Himalayan the right motorcycle for you? The question is best answered by you, if it's the right motorcycle for you or not. You should definitely be very keenly invested in learning. Otherwise, this motorcycle is a little too heavy for you to understand how to handle. இறங்குங்க நாட்டு போகிறேன். தப்பான இடத்துல வந்துட்டு இருக்கிறீங்க. அது பரவாயில்ல விட்டுருங்க. வெயிட் 1 செகண்ட். மாட்டிகிட்டு இருக்கா ஃப்ரண்ட்டு? இல்லை ஒரு நிமிஷம். இது வேறு. There we go. That's the tractor. Keep going, tractor. Keep going, brother. Keep going. Keep going. Yep.